Hello everyone, we continue trading binary options using my trading robot. This trading robot is absolutely accurate. The accuracy of this robot is from 91%. If you want to earn consistently using a trading robot and improve your results, you need to use it. I will leave the link to it, iponomento, in the description below this video. Also, this trading robot is based on artificial intelligence. With this trading robot you can work on binary options safely. So let's get started. But before we do that, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The first currency pair will be the British pound and the Swiss franc. We launch this currency pair on the robot. The trading robot says that the situation here is neutral. Let's move on to the euro and the Canadian dollar. We select Optama, the currency pair. Start the analysis and see that we need to open a buy trade. We immediately open a trade after receiving a signal from the trading robot. That is, you should always open a trade immediately after the robot's signal, and then each of your trades will be accurate and successful. And while our trade is in progress, let's see why the robot believes there will be further price growth upwards. We see that there is a formation of growth on the indicator. At the same time, we also see that there is a good support level in this area from which the price reverses and continues to rise. We now have an overall upward price position. Due to this, the trend is also upward and it is growing constantly, upwards. I believe this signal is absolutely correct. And note that if I were analyzing this situation alone, it would take me 1 or 2 minutes, and I might make an incorrect entry point. For example, here, the price could have pulled back down, and I would have incurred a loss. But the Pornobus Roboto analyzed everything for me in just a couple of seconds. And thanks to its analysis, I earned $455 in net profit. I consider this result more than excellent. And while we are not trading, I would like to talk a little more about the robot. Look, if you have any questions about how to trade with this trading robot, there is always a help button. This button means that when you press it, you will be redirected to my personal messages. You can send me a message and ask how to trade with the robot, or if you have any questions about this robot, you can always reach out to me, and I will help you with everything. It is very important to know, I want you to understand that I will always be in communication with you. I will always be ready to help you. My main goal is for you to earn money thanks to this robot, which is completely free. This is my main mission that I want to adhere to. If you want to earn money, you can choose, for example, the currency pair, British pound and Canadian dollar. How to choose the time now? I recommend trading for 1 minute or 5 minutes. For example, you chose 1 minute or 5 and you can't decide for yourself. Select 2 signals at once and receive them. And you see that within 1 minute for this currency pair, a purchase is expected. And for this currency pair, the robot says that everything is neutral. Accordingly, it is better not to trade here. Everything is absolutely simple and transparent. Well, alright, let's move on to the next pair now. British pound and Swiss franc. We choose the time for analysis, start the analysis, and see that we need to open a buy trade. Immediately open the buy trade after receiving a signal from the trading robot. Of course, this would have been the ideal entry point, but we opened the trade here when we received the signal. Therefore, we will forecast further growth somewhere around these levels, and for now, this trade will remain in progress. Let's check why the trading robot is advising to actively buy. There is an upward price movement. In addition, we can see that there is a local breakout of the buying zone here. And our trading robot forecasts further upward price growth. The nearest resistance zone is located here. And to reach this zone, the price still needs to grow significantly. Therefore, we believe that we will continue trading along the trend. Also, according to our indicators, we see that the indicator is entering the overbought zone and will be trading in this zone. Everything is quite clear here, and we have once again earned $455 in net profit thanks to the trading robot. The trading robot handled both situations. Just excellent. With this trading robot, you can earn consistently and safely. The robot is very accurate and works, so that each of you can earn here. This trading robot is free, as I mentioned earlier. With this robot you can earn. I will leave a link to this robot in the description below this video. And therefore, If you want to earn with the robot, just activate it for yourself, open your Telegram, choose the currency pair you want, select the time for your analysis, and simply work according to its signals. I analyze each currency for 5 to 10 minutes. This robot analyzes each pair literally in a fraction of a second. Therefore, if you want to optimize your time and trade more accurately than you currently do, you need this robot. I wish you a good day and see you next time. Goodbye.